Hi everyone, this is Dimitri from styledentlab and our new company, SGT Guides. And I thought it would be a great idea to share a case that we're working on. So here we're working on a full arch case. So what we did, the first step was we took the patient's CT scan and transformed it into an STL. So the way we're going about this case is going to be via stackable guides. The first step would be to sit the bone reduction guide. And to make sure that it's in the exact position that the planning was made, we made this little key that helps the surgeon, in this case, use the patient's existing teeth in order to clip it in the exact position. This is important because everything will be sitting on top of this base guide, and if this base guide is slightly a little bit off, well then the rest won't follow. Once that is done, the surgeon can go ahead and reduce those teeth and the bone, and he will be left with something that will look like this. Once this is done, the surgical guide can be clipped onto this, the surgery can be performed, the implants can be placed, then the surgeon can put the multi-units on and proceed with an immediate loading temp. Now the beauty of this temp is that what has been done is the occlusion is already balanced. It has been taken into consideration with the patient's upper jaw, and all the surgeon needs to do at this point is put his temporary cylinders, do a pickup, and the patient can leave that same day having a full arch lower temporary prosthetic. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed it.